Welcome back, everybody. This is Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here with another Diamond Dots unboxing. This is Red Vase. This one's kind of a rarer one. I've never seen this one in an actual store, and the first time I saw it was part of a pair that was being sold on like Home Shopping Network or something like that. Not something that normally I was used to being able to get, but I saw it on the Joann's website when I went shopping, and I decided that we were going to get it. So this is a partial. You just drill the actual vase. The black background is printed, which I'm fine with. You're going to have a black background like that. I do not want to have to drill it, no matter how nice it's going to look. Talking to you, Nightbringer. I know you look good, but I'm not looking forward to all that black. So, I'm going to get this out. And first thing I'm noticing is this has already got a different bag than my Diamond Art by Leisure Arts Diamond Dots do. I don't know if that's going to extend or if that's because this one wasn't originally marketed for US distribution or what. I honestly do not know, guys. But I've never seen this Add Some Sparkle to Your World Diamond Dots bag, because I think that every Diamond Dots I've gotten before this has been a Leisure Arts by Diamond Dots. So let's see if there's any differences in the kit. I highly doubt there's gonna be, but I'm gonna take a look. I know there's gonna be some differences in the drills because this one's got some special drills. Nope, no differences in the kit. So we have our gray tray, we've got our container of wax, squishy, single placer with a pen, baggies. All right. So first things first. Oh, dude, okay. So first we're gonna pull out. All right, yeah, this one's got like the full. And does it have? Okay, so this one has the full like 3-sheet multi-language breakdown of instructions in there. We're gonna set that aside because I don't need it. And then we're going to, oh my god, guys, I'm so excited about this. It's even prettier than you think it's going to be. In fact, I'm going to call it right now. If anybody sees the blue version somewhere, let me know, because I need it badly. Alright, so I'm just rolling this back so that it won't be curled up quite so much. It's a little bit harder with these ones that are partial to do that, but we're going to make it work. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if does that show in the camera? I don't know if you guys can see, but that's sparkly, and it has like a texture to it. So already, I'm like really into this. This is gorgeous. This is really nice. It's got like kind of a gritty, glittery texture, like almost like a matte glitter that just has like a subtle, like a very nice little sheen to it. We'll go in here and we will, very sticky, actually possibly stickier than usual for Diamond Dots. So I'm pretty stoked about that, and I'm in fact, don't mind me, guys, I'm just sometimes these get kind of put on there in a little bit of a curled fashion, and it makes things hard, but there we go. That's better. So they do put the plastic on the full area, even though the drilling is just in this area. And in this case, I actually kind of appreciate it because I don't know if that coating could probably scrape off a little bit. So, there's your drill field. That's going to be really easy to read. And you can see we have some bigger circles than we're used to right there in the middle of those flowers. I wonder what those are about. That is right here with these special drills. So there's 3 special drills, 21 regular. And possibly, I think the special ones over here are just the different sized ones. So we have 3, and we have 2. And let's see, there's also a 1. You see where the 1 is. 1. There's a single 1 up here on top. So I think there's also some like special regular sized drills, and I think these are all different special sizes. So we're gonna take a look to see at the drills. So we have, these are the number 2. They're sort of AB pearl, half pearls. Those are going to go up here on the neck of the jar. Very pretty. We've got A24, which is number 3. These are AB yellow half pearls, and those are all in the centers of all the flowers. Those are going to look really nice too. And then we have A22. Okay, so A22, which is at the top, and then also there's a row of them down here on the bottom. So these are the same shade as the big pearls that go on top, but just a smaller size. Those are going to be gorgeous. Then we have these great, so these are gold. You can see kind of like the back side of them too, but the gold part is they're opaque gold drills, real shiny. I think they're similar to, basically if you took the back coating of a rhinestone drill but put it on the front, that's what that is, but it's gold. And this one, all right, so that's this little arrow symbol, so that's all in here, just the gold accents on the feet of the vase and everything. So already, just off of those special drills, this is going to be so nice. But looky here, we've got crystals. Boom. Okay, so we're going to go through. All right, so we have some AB crystals. These are just kind of like, you know, sort of frosty glass with a little AB coating. This is going to be so nice. I might drop everything and do this one next, just because it's going to turn out so nice. We've got an AB yellow. Like, this one is just like special drills up the wazoo, and I am here for it. We've got some regular clear rhinestones. We have some kind of champagne colored rhinestones, and then some like pale yellow, almost gold colored rhinestones. So let's look at our haul. So we have 4 rhinestones. We have 1 AB. We have 1 like mirrored. I think mirrored is a good way to put it. We've got 1 mirrored, and then we've got 3 special drills. Plus, on top of that, we've got this flocked background that's like sparkly. This is going to be incredible, guys. I honestly, I think I'm probably gonna have to stream or do whip and chats for this one, because this one is gonna be just a delight to make. I am super excited about it. Okay, so again, I'm pretty sure there's a blue version of this because I saw this being sold in a set on the Home Shopping Network, if I'm recalling correctly. So if you guys see the blue version of this, let me know because I want it. And I want the blue version, so let me know if you see it somewhere. Otherwise, leave me a comment, tell me what you think. I will link this in the description if it is still available so that you guys can get this super cool painting from Joanne. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Leave a thumbs up if you feel like it. And I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.